top 5 engineering colleges in Manipur. At number 5 we have Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology Imphal, CIPET CSTS Imphal. CSTS is Center for Skilling and Technical Support. This institute was established in 1988 and it is located in Imphal. For admission you can apply through CIPET JEE. Courses offered are Postgraduate Diploma in Plastic Processing and Testing. This course is of duration 2 years, and Diploma in Plastic Technology. This course is of duration 3 years, whereas Diploma in Plastic Mold Technology, this course is of 3 years duration. You can take admission through CIPET JEE. At number 4 we have Manipur Institute of Technology. It is a constituent college of Manipur University which was established in 1998. Coming on to the course offered, the courses offered are BE, that means Bachelor of Engineering, Master of Technology, which is MTech, and PhD courses. So the courses offered are in Civil Engineering, in Electronics Communication Engineering, in Computer Science and Engineering, in Mechanical Engineering, and in Electrical Engineering. You can pursue BE, MTech and PhD courses in these departments. At number 3 we have Manipur University, which is a central university located in Imphal, Manipur. It was established in 1980. The courses offered are BE in Civil Engineering, BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering, BE in Computer Science and Engineering, BE in Mechanical Engineering. BE is Bachelor of Engineering, whereas in PG the courses are MTech in Civil Engineering, MTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and MTech in Computer Science and Engineering. At number 2 we have Indian Institute of Information Technology Manipur, IIT Manipur. This institute was established in 2015. Coming on to the admission process, the admission is based on All India JEE examination and seat allocation will be through JOSA counseling and CSAB. The courses offered are BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, BTech in Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering with specialization in VLSI and Embedded System. These are the courses which are offered in IIT Manipur. Finally, at number 1 we have National Institute of Technology Manipur, NIT Manipur. It is an autonomous institute under Ministry of Education, Government of India. Coming on to the course offered, the courses are in BTech we have Computer Science and Engineering, BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, BTech in Electrical Engineering, BTech in Mechanical Engineering, BTech in Civil Engineering, whereas in PG we have MTech in Computer Science and Engineering, MTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, MTech in Electrical Engineering, MTech in Mechanical Engineering, MTech in Civil Engineering. In PhD we have PhD program in Computer Science and Engineering, PhD in Electronics and Communication Engineering, PhD in Electrical Engineering, PhD in Mechanical Engineering, and PhD in Civil Engineering. These are the courses which are offered in NIT Manipur. Coming on to the placement, the highest CTC was around 45 lakh per annum.